Wolf X is a newly designed intelligent scooter. The whole car adopts streamlined, cool design. The front likes a wolf head, full of whiteness and domineering. The vehicle has applied the newly developed one-button silent start, automatic sensor headlight, ISG auto start and stop, and a PKE anti-theft technology. One-button silent start is a light press of the start button in the parking state. The engine silently starts in 0.3 seconds. Bid farewell to the traditional mechanical start mode. The structure is more simple and more powerful. Automatic headlights automatically turn the headlights on or off based on the ambient light intensity meter system. In the state of vehicle hot car, open the ISG automatic start and stop button. The vehicle enters the start and stop function for 0.3 seconds, and the instrument start and stop indicator lights up. When the speedometer speed is 0, the brakes are braked, the engine is stopped, the vehicle stops. The brakes are again squeezed, the engine starts silently, and the brakes start more safely. PKE anti-theft technology, remotely through the controller to start the vehicle with a key to warm up. After the parking is forbidden, the remote control cannot start the vehicle 1.5 meters away from the vehicle. If forced to start, it will vibrate the horn alarm. The Wolf X improved the quality of the vehicle by importing high-quality components, while optimizing the muffler and improving the damping device to enhance the driving experience and comfort of the customer. Wolf X, technology accompanied you.